What's going on, everyone?
Hello.
We are at Hollywood Studios today. And we brought our friend with us. He's not looking too well.
He looks like a Pooh Bear.
He does. Scat. Meet everyone. Scat. If you haven't met Scat, this is Scat. Oh, yeah, we're gonna come here, have some fun. It looks very, very bad out today.
A little bit.
The wind is like really bad. The skies are, let me give you a shot of the skies here. Yeah. So we are probably going to have some rain.
Some waters.
Some rain. So if we do, we're still gonna have fun.
Some rain.
That's dedication. All right, let's get in there. The weather is very, very bad.
What?
Veronica's almost blown away.
My ears.
Your ears are gonna blow away.
My ears are made by
We've Got Ears.
She's on Instagram and she's wonderful and she makes the most amazing, awesome ears ever.
Yes.
I love her.
And she repairs ears.
And what that was special for us.
Oh. Well, here we are, Hollywood Studios. We got Scat, and we're gonna have some fun.
He really keeps bashing me in the face.
Woo. All right. As you can see, we got some lightning. We also have some beers. Carpe diem.
Carpe diem.
Seize the day.
Seize the day.
And I wanted to talk about thunder. I wanted to talk about I didn't want to talk about thunder. I wanted to talk about why we come to Hollywood Studios so often. A lot of people ask, hey, well, you guys go to Hollywood Studios, what's your favorite park? Just because we come to Hollywood Studios, it doesn't mean it's our favorite park. The reason that we do come here so often is it's the closest park to our house. And I believe it's the park with the least amount of walking. Like, you can literally go from attraction to attraction to attraction. Veronica's circling me like a shark, and I'm just trying to talk, but it's okay. But anyway, that is why we come to Hollywood Studios so often. Make sense? I better go before she eats me. Scat's running away! I can hear the screams of the Tower of Terror. And I can also feel the rain hitting my head. Everyone's already ducking for cover. Me and Veronica are like, all right, rock and roller coaster, here we come.
It's terrifying.
It's terrifying. Hey, I was just wondering, do you think it's a good space to stand underneath that car during rain? Do you think you'd stay dry?
Yeah, I am right now.
If we just stand right here?
Yep.
Wow. It's like the rain just stopped.
Beautiful.
And you got a nice view and you can see people scurrying around. Not you. Get out of the way. What are you doing? Stop. Hey.
He's down.
Oh! Keep it under control. Oh my Lord. So we are going to ride rock and roller coaster, but Scat cannot come along.
And he's not allowed to stay outside.
He's not allowed to stay outside. We need a babysitter.
Or
that's what we need.
Switch. Like if we had a baby, we could do rider switch.
Wait, we could do rider switch with Scat?
That's what he just said. He said if you guys want to do rider switch, like kids.
Anybody want to babysit Scat?
Nope.
Any babysitters?
Babysitter. Looking for a babysitter.
For the balloon?
No.
No? No babysitters? Nope. Uh-oh, here comes the wind. So we're gonna leave Scat just hanging out here. Be good. Don't cause a ruckus, Scat. You do have to keep a close eye on him though, because he is pretty mischief. From Akron.
We're from Akron.
Oh, Brandon and Jimmy. Oh, hey, what's up?
Hey!
I was looking for you guys.
You said Brandon live in there.
Yeah, Brandon from Akron and Jimmy. Wow, look at that. Huh. So we are waiting to get on the rock and roller coaster. This is Jake's favorite ride.
Jake loves this ride.
Yes. Just a little tip. Jake loves this
Guess
ride.
what? It's my least favorite ride.
Yeah, Veronica doesn't like how it bashes her head around in the seat. I love it. I think it's fun. I never got the privilege of doing it when they do the Star Wars. One day I will. I will be excited for that. But, yeah. Why not? gone.
Woo! Oh, dear.
So I'm interested in the Wash This Way auto detail, and that picture that they used down here looks like it was from a long time ago, but it's pretty cool. I wish I knew who those people were. They'd be very lucky. So Wash This Way. So as we load ourselves into the rock and roller coaster, this is the only roller coaster that goes upside down, vertical. What do you want to talk about? Oh, there is a good looking dog over there. Yeah. All right. Well, I better stop recording because they're going to probably yell at me. So. Well, that was the rock and roller coaster. We made it! Oh, magic! Wow, you can really see the joy in Veronica's face on this ride. Oh, sorry. What do you think? She looked like she had so much fun, huh? So we got all the way up here and realized we left poor Scat behind. I'm gonna have to run back and get him. The Hollywood Tower of Terror. Lightning struck this tower and sent a whole entire group of people into the Twilight Zone. Bum bum bum. Oh boy, the rain's coming down real hard. We gotta get Scat. We gotta get Scat to safety. Oh, there he is! Look at it. He found shelter. Look at this balloon. I'm gonna take him. I'm gonna take him. Huh. He's my balloon now. He doesn't look too happy though. Well, Veronica's got her babushka on because it is pouring.
It's pouring.
Pouring. And we're just hanging out here next to the Tower of Terror with everyone else trying to escape the rain. Did you see the bite out of that hot dog? Well, Veronica realized she had a poncho in her purse. So now I'm gonna wear the babushka, and Veronica is gonna attempt on putting on this poncho. What are you doing? It's not even, that's not how you put a poncho on.
I usually use the garbage bags. I don't know what to do with this.
Oh my lord. She doesn't even know how to put a poncho on. Scat can no longer walk. He's just given up on life. Now, you know, as you carry a balloon, now you just literally, look at him. He's kind of walking it like a dog. Beautiful. Seems so sad, doesn't it? We gotta do something about Scat. Well, we don't know how much of a vlog this is gonna be because of weather, but like I said, anything we'd like to share, we'd like to share what we go through. It's fun. Rain don't bother us. Not a bit. Oh, hey, I think you caught on something. There you go, you're good. Look at Scat dragging behind her. Yeah. So just hanging out in the Tower of Terror. Gotta finish the beer. Is it really spooky? I don't think so. They're not scared. Why should we be scared?
Because I'm a lady, that's why.
Oh. Well, yeah. Did you see that? I was about to stick my nose, but it said laughter.
That was very fun.
Thank you. Yeah, you can't be back there.
Yeah, you know better.
Look at what he's doing. Yeah. Can't be acting like that. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this before, but I have, right? So if you're coming down to the Tower of Terror, where the photo spot is, there's this kind of like little area back here, but there's several clocks that have the exact time frozen on them. And it all says 8:05.
Look at the kitty.
Oh, I see the kitty in the back there.
Aww.
Well, if you see like clock 8:05, clock 8:05, clock 8:05, clock 8:05, they're all 8:05. Strange? I think not. It's 8:05 p.m. Hey, did you just hear someone scream the time? Thank you. Yes. And work as a cast? Absolutely.
I'm ever. But there's has to be cars with silence.
It feels like that already. Oh, it's Bill Hop Stitch. You guys know about Red Carpet Stitch? He's up at Sid's. Yeah, up at Sid's.
Yeah, will you buy me this?
No.
Every time I need you, I will ding this.
Nah, that is not gonna happen.
Every time I'm hungry or tired or I need to get up or down or anything, I will just ding.
That's not gonna happen ever. It's 8:31.
Fantastic has been.
Fantastic was canceled?
Has been canceled, yes, sadly, due to inclement weather. However, Star Wars Galactic Spectacular will still be going on. Woohoo!
Ooh, Star Wars. I think.
Star Wars.
I don't know. But we're gonna go, oh, you know what I do like? It's the new movie projection onto the Chinese theater.
I loved it. I actually watching it. Oh, that's great.
Oh, whoa!
Oh, thank you. Oh, amazing. Oh, it doesn't work to film? I thought maybe.
water in Echo Lake. All it says is, please pardon our appearance. This area is being refurbished for your future enjoyment. Who does that? Who takes the water out of Echo Lake?
I don't know. That's the one, Maz. That's the silver tuna.
Oh, not today. But that's the pumpkin, huh?
Someday you'll be mine.
Someday. Yeah, it's just, doesn't he look like Winnie the Pooh now? A little bit like Winnie the Pooh, huh?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's just dancing.
On the back, just like the eyelids.
Wow, he's doing a great job. Oh, he's dipping low.
He is feeling it now.
All right, Veronica just got a Simba pin
Oh, he's so cute.
from this fantastic cast member.
That's the parent award. He gets a Simba.
Oh, she loves Simba.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at him. Oh. So we stepped in here to leave compliments for Alyssa. But what is that? Oh, I can go in?
Yeah, that's for you.
Oh my Lord. This is the lap of luxury in here. Look at this. You got a microwave to heat up your formula, a hand sink. Oh, Alyssa, she's over at the Coke stand right across the street. All right, well, we're done with Hollywood Studios today. It was a wet one. Simba. And we are heading home now. Alyssa was a fantastic cast member. Fantastic. Oh, hi guys. Hi. Ooh. The force is always strong with me.
You want to know how strong the force is with me?
Yes. How strong is the force?
I take the leg with me.
Ace. Ace. Ace, what's happening, Ace?
You want it?
She gave you the force. Wow.
I got Simba instead.
Oh, wow. All right. Well,
Love you, my little baby.
now that all the excitement is over, that was really exciting. Like I said, we're done with Hollywood Studios. We are heading home. Alyssa was fantastic giving Veronica that Simba, and she even acknowledged Scat, which is so cool. And then Kate pulls out these cool magic tricks with the Force. I tell you, can't get any better than that.
That was a good ending to our wonderful night.
So, we'll see you next time. Love the life you live.
Live the life you love.
Bye.
And a tram will follow you home.
And a tram will follow you home.